You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this company in Chinese, and how you can easily say it in English as well. Yes, it's an I, just like, in different products, iPhone and everything. So you just have to separate out the I. iQIYI, because that's QI in English. Qi, so it's not just chi, it's qi. iQIYI. iQIYI. That's your Chinese pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce this very, very well, you can just say it iQIYI. iQIYI. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.